In today's fast-paced world, keeping track of your health is essential. Let's explore how to sync Huawei Health with Google Fit. Start by ensuring that Huawei Health is updated to the latest version. This guarantees compatibility. Next, open the Huawei Health app and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for More Services. Enable the Google Fit link. It may require you to sign into your Google account for authorization. After linking, choose the data you'd like to sync, workouts, steps, and more. This customization enhances your tracking. You're all set. Now your health data flows seamlessly between Huawei Health and Google Fit, helping you stay on track. Syncing is just the beginning. Explore the insights from both apps to make the most of your health journey. Remember to regularly check your settings to maintain smooth operation and updates. Healthy tracking leads to healthier living. Start syncing today and elevate your health game. Don't forget to share this video with friends who want to elevate their fitness tracking experience too. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more health and fitness tips. See you in the next video, and stay healthy.